With a tripod, your dreams come true. A tripod is one of the camera accessories that is quite important in the shooting process, because it can help take better and more stable images, so that the photos are not blurry due to vibrations from the hands. However, a good and quality tripod is also not easy to choose, because many considerations must be made. One of them is the size that must be adjusted to the weight of the camera or cell phone used. Tripod main function. Tripod is a camera accessory in the form of a tripod stand, which is usually used by photographers or Zoom meetings to support the camera when taking pictures. The height of the tripod can be adjusted to suit your shooting and video needs. How to use a tripod is quite easy, because you only need to adjust the length of the legs, then place it on a suitable surface so that the shooting activity becomes more comfortable and the photos are not blurry. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you are always healthy and get the best inspiration from this video. Find your inspiration at IDE Plus Unlimited for the next video.